What if I told you there's a tool that can track down usernames across almost every social media platform out there? Imagine typing in just one name and instantly knowing whether that username exists on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, GitHub, and hundreds of other sites. That's exactly what Sherlock can do. And today, I'm going to show you how to use it in Kali Linux. But before we begin, a quick note. This video is for educational purposes only. Alright, let's get started. First, update your system. Open your terminal and type sudo apt update and then sudo apt upgrade. This command will update and upgrade your system. Next, type sudo apt install Sherlock and press enter. This command will install the Sherlock tool. Actually, I have this tool installed already, that's why I have this output, but if you don't already have this tool installed, you'll see something different. Once the tool has been successfully installed, you can type Sherlock-H. This command will allow you to view the help page of this tool. On this page, you can learn more about how to use this tool. You can learn the different switches and many other things. Finally, if you want to track down usernames across almost every social media platform in the world, type Sherlock and follow that with the username you want to track down. I'll type Mr. Beast and press enter. That's it, guys. Sherlock will scan across all social media platforms in the world to search for every user who has Mr. Beast as its username. And it will provide the results right here in the terminal. This usually takes quite some time because it's searching across all social media platforms in the world. Alright, so this is the results for every social media platform that has a user named Mr. Beast. You can copy the link provided and paste it in your web browser to gather more information about your target. To search multiple usernames with Sherlock, just type them all in one command. Type Sherlock, follow that with all the usernames you want to search, and make sure you separate them with spaces and press enter. With this command, you can search for multiple users at once. And Sherlock will perform a scan on each username individually. And that's how you use Sherlock in Kali Linux, a simple but powerful tool to discover where usernames exist online. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more ethical hacking and cybersecurity tutorials. And let me know in the comments what tool you want me to cover next.